And what you say people are said to you, Silone?
When I go downtown, what so lady come give me a picture, come give me a me say don't cost you. So give me $500 one day, one lady give me 5,000.
For do what? For take picture? That's so you're famous?
Yeah, downtown. All the Igla them, they love me like what? All the boy them, the loader boy them, taxi man them, everybody just love me.
So so you tell me now, so me make you famous?
Yeah.
So you get money for take picture?
Sometimes I broke me just go downtown for the whole year. When I come home back, I can buy me food and buy KFC for Joseph. And we have money. Can I say, can get Joseph?
So what make them want to take picture with you, so?
The famous man, they say they just love me. They just love when me there on stand and show.
Oh, so you're famous?
Yeah, they just take
So you have a start sign autograph?
Yeah, me I start signing autograph now.
Oh.
They say anytime you broke so lady, you come here.
Alright.
And next week you come.
And I feel so you're the most famous woman in Jamaica, you know?
So them say.
Yes, you take the title.